One of the challenges that I have is finding a sun protective cream that doesn't leave a white cast on my skin. As a dark skin girl, it's very challenging to find a sun protective cream that doesn't leave a white cast. Also, because I live in a very small village and we don't really have a lot of stores that sell product that is friendly to dark skin. So today I went to the Lidl. I went there to just get some bread because I was late for work. I didn't have breakfast, so I thought, you know what, let me go there and pick up some things to eat so I can take that to work. And then I saw this sun protective cream standing on the shelf, and I thought, you know what, new product, okay, let me just pick one up. I picked one up and wanted to try it, and the price is what surprised me. It was very, very cheap. It's €4 for this container. I thought, you know what, let me pick it up and take it to work and put it on my face and just see how it looks. It doesn't cost much, so it wouldn't be painful if it doesn't work for my skin. So I took it to work, and I went to change, wear my work clothes, and then I decided to go to the bathroom and apply this on my face. To my surprise, it didn't leave any white cast, and it gave me this glowy, like sun-kissed glow on my face. My face was so glowy. My skin feels really good, and I was like, okay. I was surprised and I was happy at the same time. And I was like, okay, it doesn't leave any white cast. At least I found something new. And throughout the day of work, I still look at my face. It still looks really nice. It didn't leave any white cast, nothing. And I was like, okay, it's good. After work, I'll go to the Lidl and pick one more up as a backup, because you guys know me and backup is 5 and 6. I always like to have backup of everything that I have in this house, especially when it comes to product, food, or things that I use. I just like to have a backup in case of this one finish. At least I have another, especially when it comes to products from the Lidl, because Lidl's products, it comes and go. They do have certain products that they are always there, like there are certain skincare products that you can always find, but some of them, majority of them, comes and go. They don't have it all the time. So when I saw it and I thought, you know what, it's a chance to just go after work and pick it up. So I went after work and picked two. I picked one more as a backup. So I picked this up, and then I came home, and then I was like, okay, let me just go to their website and read and see what they have. It's a new skincare product, maybe something that I can buy and start using. And then after doing some research, I went back to the Lidl and I picked everything up. So this is the Pro Beauty Skin Active Ingredient Cosmetics. So this is the product. So these are the steps on how to use it. So you have step 1, step 2, step 3, and then you have 4 and 5. So these are everything that they have here. And I thought, you know what, for a product to work very good, you need to follow all the steps. So I decided to pick everything up. Because Lidl product comes and go, I decided to pick everything up in 2, just to be sure that I use the product for a certain amount of period, because you need to use something for a certain amount of period for each to work. You cannot just use one and then say, oh, it doesn't work. You need to use it for certain amounts. And trust me, Lidl always have some really, really nice product, and I really, really love their product. The only thing, like I said, they don't have things in the store all the time. Like this one now, it's a new line, it's out, you can use it, and then a couple of days from now, if you go back to the store, everything was sold out, and you will not find it anymore, except when they bring it up again, God know when. So I decided to pick everything up. I decided to pick 2 of these, 2 of each. And the sun protective cream, now I have 4 because I already picked 2 before, and then I went again and picked 2. So I picked 2 of each, and these products are very, very affordable. Everything here costs like less than I think €40 or less than €40 if I'm not mistaken, because every product here costs €4 for one container. It's like €4 each. So just calculate it for €4. If you're picking one, it's much more cheaper, but if you're picking double, let's just say €40, you can get all of this, and it's like a full set of skincare products that you can use for at least a month or 2 with it. And I really, really like it. So I just want to come and share with you guys. This is not a sponsored video. You guys know I love skincare. I'm really into skincare. I'm really into self-care, self-pampered. I really love skincare. So whenever I found something really nice and really affordable, I really like to come and show you guys. just to show you guys, and I'm also going to try it on my skin. I love trying products on my skin. I really love it. I have a really sensitive combination skin, but so far I really love my skin. My skin is really good. And yeah, I thought, you know what, let me come and share with you guys. If you are interested, yo, check out the Lido, and I might do a tutorial showing you guys how I use this product step by step. But for now, I thought, you know what, let me come and show you guys the products. And if you're interested, like I said, go to the Lido right now and pick it up, because if you wait for a couple of days, I don't know which city are you living in the Netherlands. If you wait for a little bit, everything is going to sold out, because skincare products in Lido sold out like this. Like when I said like this, it's sold out like this, because their skin product is really, really good, and they have some really, really great ingredients in here. For this price, it's really, really nice. So yeah, I thought let me come and share it with you guys. If you're interested, go to the Lido and let me know what you guys think if you ever try this product. Thank you all so much, and I'll see you guys on my next video. I can't wait to be trying it. So far, I'm in love with this sun protective cream. I'm in love with it. So far, I'm in love. So definitely, I know, hopefully I'm gonna love all of this as well. Thank you guys so much. Peace out. Bye.